This is a short English story for beginners. Listen carefully and try to understand the story. Emma is a young girl. She lives in a small town near a forest. One sunny morning, she decides to take a walk in the forest. The birds are singing and the wind is soft. While walking, Emma sees something strange on the ground. It is a small wooden box. The box is old, dusty, and has a small, rusty lock. Emma picks it out carefully. She looks around. No one is near. The forest is quiet. Emma wonders, where did this box come from, and what is inside? She tries to open it, but the lock is too strong. She decides to take the box home and ask her brother for help. At home, Emma shows the box to her brother, Jack. Jack looks at it with curiosity. Wow, this looks very old. Maybe it is valuable, he says. They try to open the box together, but the lock does not move. Emma remembers an old key she found in the garden last year. She searches her room and finds the key. Carefully, she inserts the key into the lock. Click! The box opens. Inside, they see a small map. The map shows a path through the forest with a red X at the end. Emma and Jack are excited. Let's follow the map tomorrow, Emma says. They hide the box safely and go to sleep, dreaming about the adventure. Next morning, Emma and Jack wake up early. They take the map and walk into the forest, following the path. They cross a small stream, climb a hill, and walk through tall trees. Finally, they reach a big tree, exactly where the red X is marked on the map. Emma starts to dig carefully near the tree roots. After a few minutes, they find a small treasure chest. They open the chest slowly. Inside, they see gold coins, sparkling jewels, and a shiny necklace. Emma and Jack are amazed. They have never seen so many treasures. But suddenly, they hear a soft noise behind the tree. They turn around and see a strange man standing quietly. The man looks surprised at first. Then he smiles. "You found my treasure? Very clever," he says. Emma and Jack are scared, but the man continues. "I left this treasure for someone honest to find. You two are brave and kind." Emma and Jack feel relieved. The man gives them permission to take some coins and the necklace as a gift. The man disappears quietly into the forest. Emma and Jack walk home happily. They feel proud because they found the treasure honestly. Emma says, "Sometimes the smallest good action brings great rewards." Jack nods and smiles. "Tomorrow we will explore more," he says. What would you do if you found a mysterious treasure? Write your answer in the comments.